So hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. After my previous video about Google's AI detection system and the possibility of detecting AI content or Google's ability to detect AI content, I got a bit of a heated response from many of my subscribers who kind of pushed back and they said that there is no way that Google can detect AI content and there is no willingness from Google to try and detect AI content because Google has said many times that it's not against AI content and you can generate AI content as long as the quality of the content is high. So the question is, how does Google tell whether the quality of a piece of content is high, low, medium, and what's the bar that it sets? Well, we don't know anything about that. And what we can tell you, or what I can tell you as an SEO, is a lot of it depends on how users interact with that content on your website. And by that interaction, Google can tell a great deal of things about your piece of content, whether or not it fits the user's search intent, whether or not the user found the content to be helpful. So that kind of thing Google can tell. But about the AI content detection issue, so here's something that I found very interesting. And I was reading uh, uh, Barry Schwartz on Twitter, and he posted this, and he said, Chris Nelson, senior staff analyst search ranking at Google, has updated his LinkedIn bio to specify that he manages a large team that builds ranking solutions for Google search. Okay, so that's nothing out of the ordinary. One line says, address novel content issues, detection and treatment of AI content or AI generated content. Now, this person has been with Google for the past 15 years, and now they'll lead a team, apparently, whose sole job is to detect AI content. All right. So when people say Google doesn't want to detect AI content, Google is unable to detect AI content, Google can detect AI content, the question is not whether or not Google wants to or does not want to. The question is, at what point will Google say, you know what, now is the time from where we want to make sure that our systems are not clogged by AI content. We just want high quality user written content. So the next thing is, why can't content be written by AI that's also high quality? Well, because Google knows that LLMs at this point in time right now cannot generate high quality content. And I'm not talking about content that's grammatically correct, that has correct spelling, that has correct structural issue, that does not have any structural issues. I'm talking about content that adds value to the SERP and is not just trying to rank. So remember, when people are producing AI content in mass, they're not trying to be helpful, they're trying to rank and bring in as much traffic in the shortest time possible, okay? Which is why you have websites such as the one that Glenn Gate posted, and I'll put a screenshot over here, which climbs for a certain point in time and then it declines. Okay. And you see the sudden decline. So if you've been engaging in AI content, there's a good chance at some point those pieces of content, if not your entire site, will be penalized. All right. So I digress. Let's get back to this person's profile. So they mentioned over here, prevent manipulation of ranking signals, so anti-abuse and spam and harm, provide quantitative and qualitative understanding of quality issues, for example, user interactions and insights. Remember what I said about user interactions and how people interact with your content. This is what Google is monitoring. Address novel content issues, so detection and treatment of AI content. So it's not that, AI content has a virus. It's in fact that there is something wrong with AI content that Google has inherently found out and is now trying to address, mainly because AI content, when fed into an AI content system, generates more garbage content. So Google wants quality for its AI systems, and it's as simple and straightforward as that because Google wants to switch from its algorithm to an LLM, and an LLM cannot be relied on if it's fed garbage content. That's it, okay? So over here, there's this tweet by a person called Gangan Jitora. He says, important FYI, Googler Chris Nelson from Search Quality Team His LinkedIn says he manages global team that builds ranking solutions as part of Google search detection and treatment of AI content. So does that mean that Google is going after AI content, or has begun to go after AI content? Well, the right answer is I don't have the right answer, but the answer based on my analysis of websites that have AI content and the way they were hit with the latest spam update is that Google is starting to see AI content as being spammy and spam, which is why at some point, if not right now, your content will be penalized. So I hope you guys found the video useful. Like and subscribe as always. Leave a comment below. Feel free to blast me your opinion. Okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy ranking.